What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Herbie the robot from the Fantastic Four. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to draw a straight line going across. And then we'll work our way around the inside edge of the head. On the left side, we're going to angle this down and then out. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now we're going to come down and then in towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Directly underneath each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle. And then in between, we'll draw two smaller circles. Let's add a trim along the side. For the top left, step in, draw a straight angle line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add some details inside the eye. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a small circle. Now we're going to add a trim around the inside, going all the way around. Let's go over towards the right, add a smaller circle in the middle. Now on the top left and right, we're going to add two small circles. Come down in the middle, add one more. And fill all those circles in black. Let's go to the inside of the left eye and do the same thing. And we're going to fill all these circles in black as well. Now I'm going to trace the head along the outside, starting from the top, going all the way across. Work our way down the side. And then down towards the bottom. Along the bottom edge of the head, we're going to add a curve, coming around and then back in. Let's add in the neck. We're going to draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. Close off the bottom with a curve. And we'll add some texture inside the neck, just adding two more curves along the center. Let's go to the base of the neck, draw two lines going out. Let's round out the body, and then come straight down. Let's angle this down and out toward the side. Round this out, and then come straight down. Let's round out the bottom corners, and just pull that in. Now I want to add that gap for the wheels. Let's start by going straight up towards the top. Let's flatten this off, coming in. Come straight down towards the bottom. And we'll flatten this off. Now I want to add the wheels inside those gaps. From the top corners, we're going to step in, draw two lines coming down towards the bottom of the wheels. And then we'll round out the bottom. From these bottom corners, we're going to step up, draw a line going across to close that off. And we'll fill the insides in black. Now let's add some detail inside the body. We're going to start with a straight line going across the middle. Round this out, and then come down. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add a rectangle going across and then down. Then we're going to add a few buttons inside. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to add a rectangle going up, across, and then down. Let's leave a gap, draw another line, And then on the sides, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll close this off. Over on the side, we're going to add some slits. We're going to add 3 on either side. Now with the body complete, let's move up and draw on the shoulders. We're going to start on the top left, go around, and then back in. From the center, we're going to move up, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the elbows. And then from the elbow, we'll add a circle. From that circle, we're going to step down, angle this back in towards the side of the body. Now let's add some lines inside, with 2 going across the center of the arm. And we're going to bend the forearms going up. Let's start from the top of the circle, angle this up and out. Flatten this off, and then come back down. Let's add 2 more lines in the center. For the top corners of the wrist, we're going to angle this up and out across the hands. Go out. And I want to pull this back in toward the tip of the fingers. Let's move over and do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to flatten off the fingers. And we're just going to trace this back along the inside. Coming down toward the bottom. Flatten that off and work our way across the right. Let's do this exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Herbie the robot from the Fantastic Four. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.